Intro. Did you know that there's a fascinating process used to create complex shapes and parts in manufacturing? It's called slush casting. Today, we will explore what slush casting is, how it works, and why it may be the right choice for your next project. Slush casting isn't just another technique in manufacturing, it's a blend of art and engineering. Let's dive in and see what makes slush casting so special. Main content. What is slush casting? Slush casting is a method that's primarily used for making hollow objects. Unlike solid casting methods, slush casting uses a liquid material that is later drained out to create a shell. This technique has a variety of applications, from creating toys to parts for vehicles. Construction of slush casting. The slush casting process begins with a pattern made from a material like metal or plastic. First, the pattern is preheated. Once it's hot, we pour a liquid material, usually a type of resin or metal, onto the surface. The heat from the pattern causes a thin layer of the liquid to solidify. After a specific time, the remaining liquid is drained out, leaving a hollow shell behind. Finally, the shell is allowed to cool completely before it's removed from the pattern. Working of slush casting. To understand how slush casting operates, let's look at the detailed steps. Preparation of the pattern. The pattern is shaped as per the required final product. Heating. This pattern is then heated to a high temperature. Pouring the material. The liquid material is poured over the hot pattern. Solidification. The outer layer cools and forms a solid shell while the inside remains liquid. Draining. After enough solidification, the remaining liquid is drained away. Cooling. The shell is cooled further for a complete solid structure. Finishing. Finally, the shell is removed, often requiring minor finishing touches. This entire process can vary in time, often taking just a few minutes to a few hours depending on the material used. Advantages of slush casting. Slush casting offers some great benefits that make it appealing. Lower costs. Since it uses less material than solid casting, it can be more budget-friendly. Lightweight products. The hollow nature of slush cast objects makes them lightweight, which is ideal for many applications. Complex shapes. Slush casting can create intricate designs without the need for extensive machining. Quick production. The process is relatively fast, making it great for small production runs. Disadvantages of slush casting. However, slush casting isn't without its downsides. Limited strength. The final product may not be as strong as solid cast items. Uniformity issues. Achieving consistent thickness in the shell can be tricky. Material limitations. Not all materials are suitable for slush casting, which can limit applications. Post-processing.